Good afternoon, it's Claire Saunders from What's New in Electronics. I'm here at IPC Apex and I've been joined by Arch Systems from Gadi and Jennifer. How are you guys?
We are okay.
Great, thank you.
Thank you for joining us. You have a booth here and you are going to tell us about some new software improvements and solutions that you have, I guess.
Yes. So we are excited that we are just releasing. Actually, we've been doing that for quite a long, but we are using more AI to enhance production efficiency and using our capability to use the AI capabilities to guide the operations and production with guided actions on what to do.
Okay.
I think that this is one of the efficient and most impressive activities that we are doing in the field. A lot of companies are talking about AI right now. I would not say anything. I will focus on our activities, our availability to gather an amount of data, a huge amount of data, and structure that in a way that we can summarize contextual data in an AI for the root cause with guided action. I think this is quite impressive and innovative.
And how do you feel people are accepting AI? I mean, obviously, it's there. We're living with it. But how are you finding their thought process? Is there an element of fear, excitement? Where is it?
I think there is a curiosity in there. There is a little bit of skepticism of what's the capability. Showcase, and we can talk about showcase a little bit. But showcase, when we are actually showing showcase that are on the same level of the what if it's engineer or the quality, and they see the result, you see the enthusiasm there and the potential.
So the opportunity that you guys have to offer that level of security, that level of comfort, is where you're thriving, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, I want to tap in on what Gadi said. I agree. Excitement always lags some sort of perception of reality, And I think that's AI. It's funny. I was in a conference about a year and a half ago with an AI expert, and she had said, this was very early after ChatGPT had been released, and she said, you have to think of AI as a highly creative intern. How much do you want AI actually in the action loop in your factory? Mm-hmm. And we've come a long way in a year and a half, because that was the ChatGPT version of AI, and that's still very true. It can hallucinate, and it can, the chatbots will do that kind of stuff. But models that are specifically trained on data for a particular environment are showing just remarkable results already early on. The capability is absolutely there.
Right.
And the ability for AI to come in and to be able to take in some of the burden that's on manufacturers right now. Manufacturers, we know this, there's a huge talent gap on skilled workers. And how then can AI come in as a tool? If you want to come in and help as a highly skilled worker, you can't be a highly creative intern. It's either an intern or a skilled worker, they're not the same, right?
Yeah.
Now the models are showing incredible ability to perform like an expert 20, 30 years into their career, and 10, 20, 50 times faster. Mm-hmm. And it's really, really incredible, that burden that starts to become shifted and lifted for experienced workers to bring the AI in and have it to understand all of the root causing, be able to ingest the information and do that root cause analysis quickly, effectively, and to be able to guide them. It's really, really come a very long way very quickly. It's very exciting to see where it's going.
Yeah.
If I can add on that, we are just finishing a paper about that. And our engineering department, we're trying to simulate some data from different machine, and the way that a human being, an engineer with a lot of experience, to analyze and capture what's the real cause. It took us 15 minutes to look into 10 different databases in order to understand the root cause. And then we generate our tool. And it is within seconds that it generated, and we evaluate the result based on what we said.
Yeah.
And it was very, very accurate. For us, it was it was very, very exciting to see that result. We replicate several times to see that, and we saw that the response that we get from a system, so accurate. So I'm confirming that point of view that the capability that we have right now is very, very strong and accurate. That is something that we.
Okay. And this is going out now as a standard for you guys, or are you keeping with your more traditional products, or is everything changing?
Yeah, so for us, I would say, as a data and analytics company, manufacturing specific, right? Obviously, AI enhances all of that capability, all of that data, all of that digital twin that's been being built from the connections that we do, from the other solutions that are in the factory. Obviously, all of that comes into a digital twin, and then AI enhances those capabilities. So it is just it's a natural progression and maturation of where data is going. And so it's not a standalone new for us. This is the natural progression of being able to use your data in an effective and successful way.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Great stuff.
Yeah.
Super exciting.
So how do people find out more?
Absolutely. I mean, you can always go to archsystems.ai and come to our website, and we'd love to have an opportunity to talk to people about what you're doing with your data now and what you can be doing, and any way that we can help to guide on that.
Okay. And what's next?
So yeah, I mean, we're seeing the possibilities in our capabilities, both the traditional data captures and analytics, like Jennifer was mentioned, and now using the AI for different. So we see the scope and the potential that there is there, allowing us to expand to different production areas, to different verticals. So we are very enthusiastic and trust with our capability to go there.
Fantastic. Well, I look forward to finding out what you guys are going to tell us next time we see you. So thank you very much for coming along, and good luck.
Yeah, pleasure's ours.
Thank you.
Claire.
Thank you.